Do you want to create a polka dot or a halftone effect looks like this? It's so simple, and this step doesn't require additional plugins or scripts. Yeah, maybe some people already know this step, but it's okay, I will share again. First, make a composition and make it solid layer. After that, type CC ball action and put it to solid layer. Okay, next, it's time to setting the effect. You just need to change the grid spacing and the ball size section. Yeah, it's up to you how you want to set it up. Okay, after that, back to your main composition and place the polka dot or halftone composition at the very top on your project. Put fill effect and change the color to the black. And after that, change the blend mode to the color burn. Still looks bad. Time to change the color from the black to white. Find a color that you think fits with your project. But remember, you only need to change the color from black to white. Okay, after that, I'll give a mask effect. And don't forget to set the mask effect to the inverted. And set the feather whatever you want. Yeah, that's it. It's so simple. You don't need to use plugins like BCC Halftone or Xavier Halftone, whatever that. You just need CC ball action for make this effect. Yeah, if this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and support me so I can make it video like this. And remember, stay safe and stay healthy. And yep, see ya.